In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a remote camera from another NVR or DVR. The first thing you do is log in and go to main menu. Once you're in the main menu, go to camera, and then you could hit device search. But the point of this instruction is not to use the device search, manually add the camera you have from your primary NVR or DVR. My primary NVR is an IP address stated here. It happens to use a customized port. In your case, it will be 3/777. So in your case, make sure you keep on using 3/777. So do not click here and add, especially most NVRs these days use a customized password. You need to go to manual add, enter in the IP address of the NVR. In your case, your TCP port will remain 3/777. In my case, I changed it, so I'm going to change that. Leave yours alone the way it is. Username will be the username you have for your NVR that you're trying to connect from. Most likely, you'll just be using admin. In my case, I have a different username. If you have a different username, you could do this as well. And now I'm going to enter my password. Keep in mind, the NVRs are Linux-based, and they do not like spaces for passwords. Do not have a password with spaces in it. It should be alphanumeric characters, preferably, and a special character. Do not put a complicated password if you're trying to test it for the first time. Hit connect. Once I hit connect, it refreshed the number of channels it sends from my primary NVR. In my case, I wanted to connect to channel 5. As you can see, this NVR that I have is a 4-channel NVR. 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras are displayed in my grid. However, I'm trying to connect a channel from an 8-channel NVR that is beyond the 4th channel. In order to do so, first, you will connect to any arbitrary channel, let's say 1. Hit apply, hit OK. When I did that, it added all the cameras it could find on my NVR. In my case, I'm going to go and modify now all the channels to be the way I want them to be. And you notice that it populated all 4 channels, the first 4 it could find on my primary NVR, and they're displaying right here. So I'm going to hit modify. Now that the NVR has, my 4-channel NVR has connected to my primary NVR, it senses all the 8 channels. I'm going to change channel 1 to be 5, hit apply, OK, and watch what happens. Wait a few minutes, it may take up to a minute, really, and here you'll see that the camera grid changed the channel I wanted. Let's try it for channel 2. I'm going to go and assign it, let's say 4, hit apply and OK. I only have 5 cameras on my NVR, so I am going to add in the sequence I would like. So I'm waiting for this to refresh to camera 4. So this should come here. Just give it a minute. And here we go. Got it. So now I've shown you how to manually add remote channels from another DVR NVR and specify, by using the manual add, the order of the cameras being fetched from your primary NVR, especially if your secondary NVR you're working with is of lesser channels. So in this case, I only wanted 2 channels, and I've got those. I deleted the other ones like I just did by hitting the delete button, and I'm all set. Thanks for watching this video.